Extreme weather is becoming more frequent and widespread around the country. California suffered its worst wildfire season in history last year. Remember that? In January, the Midwest saw record-breaking cold, and historic flooding in Nebraska just last month caused more than $1 billion in damages. That's billion with a B. CBS News climate and weather contributor, that's Jeff Berardelli, is here to show us why changes in the Arctic are having such a big impact here. Jeff, welcome.
Good morning, guys, and good morning, everybody. We can trace the origins of some of the recent extreme weather here to rapid changes up north. Now, normally, the polar ice caps keep the Earth temperature down by reflecting the sun's rays back into space. Now the ice is melting fast. Listen to this, over 900,000 square miles, nearly 6 times the size of California in just the past 40 years. As a result, more of the sun's rays are being absorbed. That is heating the Arctic twice as fast as the global average. And that uneven warming is now impacting the weather here in the mid-latitudes by throwing the jet stream out of whack. The jet stream is a river of air in the upper atmosphere controlling the track of storms and the distribution of cold and warm air. And recent evidence shows the jet stream is becoming more amplified, making the weather more extreme. That's a theory, but we're seeing it play out in real time right now.
Yeah, people really have to pay attention to this. So we've had 2 of the worst hurricane seasons recently. What role did climate change play in that?
So, you know, believe it or not, you're not going to believe this stat. We are adding 4 Hiroshima atomic bombs worth of energy to the ocean every second. Every second, that's how much heat is being added to the oceans. That comes out and it manifests itself in the form of extreme weather. So, a couple of things that we want to talk about. Hurricane Michael, Hurricane Maria. Hurricane Michael is just upgraded to a Category 5 storm, winds of 160 miles an hour. We do not yet have an attribution study on that storm. But what we do know is water temperatures were way above normal in the Northeast Gulf. Some of that was natural, some could be climate change. We saw a rapid intensification of 50 miles an hour within 24 hours to landfall. There are studies that now show that rapid intensification is in fact increasing and has been increasing for the past couple of decades. And Hurricane Maria, with an atmosphere that can hold a lot more moisture, it's dumping a lot more rain. They're saying that it's 3 times more likely to have a storm with the magnitude of rainfall of Hurricane Maria now than we had in the 1950s.
I hear that.
3 times more likely.
But what are we supposed to do with that information? You hear it and then you think, what are we supposed to do?
Well, the bottom line is there's no masking tape solution. But we know the answer. The answer is we need to wean ourselves off of fossil fuels. You know, a lot of times you go to the doctor, if you're really sick, the doctor says, I'm sorry, there's nothing we can do for you. We know exactly what to do. We just have to have the willpower to do it, get off fossil fuels.
You'll be back with more information
before
the show's over.
Thank you so much,
welcome.
Jeff. Thank you.